Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 13th June 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you souls are actors in this unlimited play. That sweet silence home is your place of residence to where you now have to return. Question. What words cannot emerge from the lips of those who understand this drama accurately? Answer. It would have been better if it hadn't been like that. This should not happen. Those who understand this drama will not speak such words. You children know that the drama continues to move like a louse. Whatever happens, it is fixed in the drama. There is nothing to worry about. Essence for Dharana. First is, the Father gives us such a new kingdom of the world that no one can snatch it away from us. Continue to jump with joy and dance in the happiness of this. Second is, in order to become a bead of the rosary of victory, die a living death and be dead to this old world. Have your sins absolved by having remembrance of the Father. Blessing for today. May you be a great donor who fulfills the pure desires of everyone with your powerful stage. Details are: souls who come later will be content receiving just a little because their paths are to take just a little grain. In order for such souls to receive the fruit of their bhavana, devotional feelings, and for none of them to be deprived of it, you yourself must now accumulate all the powers. When you remain stable in your full and powerful stage of a great donor, you will be able to take any soul beyond with the cooperation of your vision, on the basis of your duty of giving the great donation, and by putting on the switch of your good wishes. Slogan is, constantly continue to follow the godly codes of conduct, and you will become a most elevated being who follows the highest codes of conduct. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Practice being in the stage of soul consciousness, be introverted. When you go onto the stage to do service, let others experience you as a soul who has come out of the cave of introversion and spirituality after a long time for the sake of doing service. Let your tapasvi form be visible. Let lines of unlimited disinterest be visible on your face. Together with being merciful, let the spiritual intoxication of the form of a Shakti also be visible. Let there be as much deep spiritual intoxication as there is mercy. It is now the time to do such service.